Namaste guys. So how to write a formal letter in French language. This is the topic of our video. This is part 3 of this video. Alright, this is part 3 of this video. So before I start, I'm thankful to all my teachers, Madam Padma, Madam Usha, Madam Ashmi, and Chetan sir, Soma sir and all, and Priyanka ma'am for teaching me French language. So let's start. So see, I have divided here. I have just just created some lines. All right, so what you guys have to do in this case is that first of all, here what you have to do is here vous allez écrire les coordonnées de l'expéditeur. For example, if I'm the person who's sending the mail, then I will going to write my address here. All right, that's what you have to do. Now, in this thing, you have to remember, do not write your home address. Always write a French address. If there is no French address, create one. Don't worry, no one will going to accuse you for anything. All right. For example, 23 Rue de Paris, Près de Champs-Élysées, blah blah blah, and then you can write just Paris. All right, Paris, France. All right, anything like this. Don't worry that the teacher will going to deduct your, see, teacher also knows that you are in India. All right, so now the second thing is number 2. Number 2 would be your coordonnées du destinataire. Here, just a second. Oops, just a second, guys. Here you need to write the coordonnées of the destinataire. Means where you are writing the letter, to whom you are writing the letter, that's about that person you have to write here. All right. Now let's come to the third part. Here you have to write this part. Here you have to write lieu et date. All right. For example, Paris. Le, always remember, le 23, blah, 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 and then the year. All right. Oh, this is the same year when I cleared my C2 level. All right. So that's how you have to do. Now, here you have to write the object. Keep in mind one thing, that you will not going to write start object with an article. Le, la, le. Avoid all these kind of things. Make it short, make it crisp. Do anything. All right. Do anything. Just make it very short. Just 5 to 6 letters at max. At max. All right. Otherwise, you will going to lose marks. So now what you have to do is, see, this is a fixed pattern, Madame, Monsieur. If you want to write Madame Le Maire or XYZ things, you can write. No one will going to say anything. But in order to be very formal, or in order to be very safe, just write Madame. All right, Madame la Directrice or Monsieur le Directeur, that you can write. All right. But if you are not sure, just keep it Madame. All right, now let's say formule d'appel. This is known as formule d'appel. Formule d'appel. This is now here you will going to write the main things which I have told you in the last video. All right, in the last video I told you this thing. All right, now sincere salutations in a very formal manner. All right, very formal manner, write salutations, and then in the end sign it. That's it. That's all you have to do. All right, and one thing, that in case if you are writing this in the very first part 1, I have told you how to write, what to write. Suppose if it's a semi-formal letter or informal letter, then you can change this part accordingly. All right, then you can write, for example, if you are writing this, writing an informal letter, suppose you are writing an informal letter, then you can write share or whatever. All right. If it is semi-formal, then I told you in the very first part, right? Go and watch that video. So that's it, guys. That's it in the second video. I'm thankful to you all. God bless you all. And in case if you are having any difficulties concerning Delph B1 or Delph B2 or even DALS 7, after DALS 7 I don't teach. All right. If you are having any difficulties concerning A1, A2, B1, B2, or even TCF, TF exam, you can message me. All right, I'll make a video free of cost. Free of cost, I'm saying, because I've used the name of my teachers. All right. Don't worry, for YouTube thing, I'll never charge. So if you have any issues concerning any exam, you can message me. If you have any difficulties, then you can message me. I don't charge for all those things. For doubts, I never charge. My teachers never charge me. So I'm very thankful to you all. I'm very thankful to my teachers. If you have not watched the other videos, please watch those videos, share, subscribe, or like, or whatever. Thank you, guys. God bless you all.